In this tutorial, I'm going to go over how you can use Book Creator in your grade or subject level, whether it's primary or all the way up to grade 12. Book Creator is a low-tech, easy way to create online while you're doing your online learning with your students. So the first step you're going to do is you're going to go to bookcreator.com. When you're on there, I'm already signed up. But if you were starting for the first time, and this works on both a Chromebook and an iPad, there is an iPad app. However, Safari and Google Chrome does support the use of the website version of it, which you are seeing here now. You can create a free account, and when you do, be sure if you're a teacher setting it up that you click the teacher option. I'm going to sign into Book Creator, and it's awesome because it is a single sign-in, so it uses your Gmail, your Google account to sign in, as well as it does for students. So students would log in with their emails, and once they're in there, they're not going to be prompted to do it again. So you'll see when I go to select it, I'm already in, and you'll be able to see my library. All right, so you'll see I have two created here. This social studies one is a newspaper article, and it was from a session that we have done last night. And I have a comic over here of Austin Matthews, and it's a hockey comic, just as examples of what you can do with Book Creator. But I'm going to go over some of the key features quickly. When you do save it, so if you do come down and you do save it, you have the option to print it, or you can download it as an ebook, which makes it an EPUB. And you can open that and share it as well, which is awesome. And it's completely free. So when you come up to the three lines here, you're going to be in the teacher dashboard. You can see your books. You can create a new library. You can see I have 2 libraries created. You can join a library as well. What I really like is the Discover tab. When you come to the Discover tab, you have different grade levels. You have kindergarten, elementary, middle school, high school. And when you select the different grade levels, you're going to see some work that other teachers have created as well as different students. And I like to come over here for some different ideas of what I can do with my students. When you come down to the bottom, you're going to see it done by subject. So you can see there's something for every single subject. So you can click on them and explore that way and get some ideas of how you want to use Book Creator. Students typically really enjoy it, and there's usually good feedback surrounding it. So I'm just going to exit out of the teacher dashboard, and I'm going to show you how to create quickly. So you're going to go to a new book. Over here you have templates. So I'm going to show you the newspaper one, but as you can see, there's all kinds of different themes and templates. So the newspaper one is super simple, and I'm going to show you quickly how to go over it. So you could go to any single section of here, click, and when you double click, it allows you to then edit it. And as you edit it, it automatically changes it. So if I delete it out of here and I just say hi, it'll automatically put that in here. If I want to call the newspaper MK Tech News, it's going to automatically change it for you. Same with the image. You can delete that image out and put a brand new image in there. It's super easy, super simple for students. And you can do it for a historical event. You can do it for a story that you've read. You can do it for a life event. You can do it for any single thing you want. You can pick a current event that's going on and have the students create their own article about the event. It can be a community article. It can be what's going on around us. It's an awesome way to get that out there, and a great learning opportunity for our students. When you come up here, you have a plus and you have an I, which will be a common theme no matter what you're in for a template. You can import. There's a camera, there's a pen, there's text, there's shapes. So that is how you use it for the newspaper article. And the second video we're going to go over, if you want, is on comics. So I'm going to keep this one short, and the next one is going to be on comics.